2:30 in the morning. They're totally blowing.
Look at them all trying to get to their food.
Yeah, 9/26, December 27th. Look at them. Look at this. Things piled up in the vine. Look at this, man. Up to my knees. Yep, 12 noon, and the state was open on time. Only one of our co-workers showed up, and this is the front of our house. Nice snowdrift. Alright, see, here's this. We made a path. The goal, to clear a path to High Street. Do we accept the challenge? I don't know, but we'll see. As the day settles in, this month. God damn it. Here we go. Looks like it's going to be nice out tomorrow. Come on. And we're heading home. Hey, Sus! Okay, this is the path that I dug in earlier. Sun, nice sunset. Nice sky out. Here's the path. Neighbor's house. Come on. Hi. Bless you.